Okay, so today we are going to do holiday lights and we're going to use oil pastels. Oil pastels are kind of like wet crayons. They're a little bit sticky and they get on your hands. So I'm going to put a t-shirt, one t-shirt in the middle of each table, kind of like we did with the chalk last week. And we can wipe our hands on the t-shirt like a napkin. So we're not going to wear the t-shirt, we're just going to put it in the middle and wipe our hands on it. Okay, so we're going to be doing holiday lights. And the first step, I'm going to leave these here because the camera focuses better when they're there. We're going to take the dark green. There's a dark green and a light green. We want the dark one. We're going to start on this side and we're going to do a line. It can be loopy, it can be curvy, it can be wavy, but it's got to go from this side all the way to this side. So, hold on, let me focus. All right, so my line's gonna go wavy, wavy, and then it's gonna do a big loop and a wiggle, and then it's gonna go off the other side. So do you see how this it started on this side, and even though it did a bunch of waves and loops and wiggles, it went all the way across to this side. I didn't stop in the middle. I went all the way to the side. Now your line doesn't have to look like mine, but it does have to go across the whole page. But you can do any kind of wiggles or loops you want. Once we do that, we're going to take different colors, and you can do any colors you want. And we're going to do some lights. But first, I'm going to mark everywhere where I'm going to put a light. I'm going to put a little dark green square because lights are usually attached to the string. And we want these little squares. These are where lights are going to be. These are the little thing that the light bulb screws into. Some are going to be on one side, some are going to be on the other. Okay. So, all of those are going to be lights. I'm going to start with red. My light shape is going to just go like this. It's kind of like an oval, but it comes to a little rounded point on the end. Now, if you want to do a different shaped light, you can do that. But I want a few regular shaped lights. Okay, I'm going to color it in. And maybe I'll do a red here too. So it's going on top of the little green squares that I did. Maybe I'll do some blue ones. They don't have to be perfect. Just try your hardest. Some yellow ones. Light green ones. This one's going right off the page. I don't even see it. Purple. And orange. Okay, so I think I have every, ooh, I'm missing one. I'm going to do one peach right here. All right, so every little green square that I did now has a light. But that's not the last step. The last step is I'm going to take a white and I'm going to make a little shine mark, a little reflection. It's just a little line, and it goes in the top of each light. Each light gets one, and it looks like it's shining. Okay, then I'm also going to do some little shining, glowing little lines coming off of the light to make it look like the light is glowing. Okay, the last step is to kind of smear those shine lights. And I'm kind of smearing the color of the light into them so that it looks like they're glowing in the dark. And voila! We've got a picture of Christmas lights.